Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial on my everyday go-to makeup look. So most days I either look like I just rolled out of a ditch or I look like a drag queen. There's not usually an in-between, but if there was, this is what it would look like. So if you're interested in learning how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start off by spraying my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer. I'm going to go in with this foundation sample that I really like, and it is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer 2-in-1. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. This is really thick coverage, but it looks really natural. So I'm going to go in with a damp sponge and really work that into the skin. So next up, I'm going to go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chantilly. I really like this concealer. This is pretty much all I used to use before I discovered the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be using the Tom Ford bronzer in Terra. If I can get it open, looks like this. So now I'm going to do my brows, and I just am going to use a clear brow gel. And I have a video all about eyebrows if you want to go watch that. And then I'm just going to wait for that to dry. Brows, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in medium brown. Now that we have the brows on, I'm going to go in with Nars Orgasm for blush. And I don't like to go too heavy on the blush. I just like it to add some color to our skin so we look nice and alive. For our eyes, I'm going to be using the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. It is just really pretty and has some nice neutrals. So I'm going to go in with the light shade here. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. And normally I would use a packing brush to do this, but this is kind of going to be a transition color and it's just going to set our eyelids. So there. Next up, I'm going to go in with this shade here. And we're just going to do a really natural look. So I'm just going to pop that in the crease. And I'm going to concentrate on the outer part of the eye with the majority of the color and the outer V. And then bring it all the way across what's left on the brush. I'm going to go in with this darker shade here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the same brush and concentrate on the outer V and the crease. We just want to give it some depth. Now I'm going to go in with the Inglot Gel Liner in 77. It is like the blackest black. And I'm going to try and keep this tight to the lash line. So we look like this. And then I'm going to go in with the Balm's MaryLouMinizer highlighter. And I'm going to use a fan brush because we just want not too blinding of a highlight. While I'm waiting for the gel liner to completely dry, I'm going to go in with the MAC lipstick in Twig. Looks like this. And I just want that to give us a little bit of color. I'm going to go over top of that with the Buxom lip gloss in Sophia. This one is my favorite shade. So there we go. I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I don't wear false lashes like on the daily, but just for the video, I am going to put on some Ardell Wispies. They're super natural and they will just make our eyes pop. So I'm going to do that off camera quick. I'm waiting for my lash glue to get tacky. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Whiskey, and I'm just going to do that on the bottom lashes. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to go in now again with the MAC Fix Plus and spray my face so that it holds up all day long. So that is the final look. It is pretty natural, pretty quick. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in my next video.